which is vada pav, which is their favorite kind of breakfast. So it's like a samosa in a sandwich, which is actually how you're supposed to have a samosa, which I didn't know until my friend was like, oh yeah, that's what we have to buy. That's the only breakfast you can get. You're not supposed to fucking have it by itself. Yeah, this is millionaire shortbread. We should have it.
I'm sorry, but look at this level of shithousery from me. I am incredibly proud. Look at this shithousery. Got the yellow sign in and the eviction
and
notice
just
in.
licking.
Yeah, just like
beef.
licking.
All right. Ready? And I got the right one.
Yeah, you
it's
fucking
plain.
did.
Let's see if I can bite into this with braces though. I'm gonna do it on the side.
It's a nice little challenge.
And
It's fucking good. Right? What do they say? Bloody well right. My teeth hurt so bad.
But is it worth it?
Oh, it's so good. It's on point.
right?
Try to push it out the way to get the flavouring right.
I know. Such a producer.
Baby's first bagel bake. There you go.